Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, I'm back and show you. Yeah, this is the video response to JuneAngelPews her snippet roll challenge. So yeah, and yeah, this is the snippet roll that I made for you, June. And yeah, I make it like a rose garden now in the basket. Okay, this is the basket that I alter with this. I fussy cut out all the roses and the flower, glue around. Okay, and you see this is so beautiful. Yeah, display like so. Okay, yeah, I also include some of the beads, the butter. Another one with the rosebud, different colors, and one more is the dudettes also. Okay, so beautiful bottles. Okay, and also include this trim and this one. Also this and this one. Okay, and yeah, this is the basket. Okay, so yes, and put everything in and show you that this is the snippet roll. This is the front. Yeah, smell the roses, and I sew all these different color fabric underneath and tie like so. Okay, and this is so. Yeah, the same with my Peter Rabbit. Yeah, also with different, and I put the rose here. Okay, and now this is the dangle. I add the rosebud and this, and fussy cut out all the flower from the printed on fabric. And yeah, I prefer this show in outside than hide inside. So yeah, I just put this in the front. So this is the image, and I sew with all different color pattern fabric, and you can see a layer with the roses, flower, and leaves. So these another images. And beautiful. Another image here. There's many different layers. And this imagine. So another, and add the flower and dudettes here. And this one, memories. Also I didn't put any embellishment because the flower looks so already bit too busy in the row. Just add little bit, and this is the last, and this one here. I think I have to glue. Yeah, June mentioned she prefer not use the hot glue, but if you buy the quality, good quality hot glue, don't buy the like yellowish this glue stick, and you can keep it will not turn to yellowish color, because like so. This side have to, and see, this is like a white. Some glue stick is like a yellowish color, so we better don't, yeah, take that. That will make your project turn to yellow. And I really get used to use the hot glue for all my project, yeah, like so. And this one, this flower is someone, yeah, I forget who sent me this, so I use, yeah, and I use this wooden stick. Is the I use this for my iron box kit for the handle, because I don't have the spool, so yeah, I think this is okay. And layer with the lace and cover with the flower underneath and here, so. And this is the back, also layer with the printed fabric, like so. And this is my stamp, my sign, yes. Okay, and you roll it back. Yeah, let you to see. So this one and the basket. Okay, and yeah, this is for you, June, and I will ship it as soon as possible. And thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and all your kind comments are much appreciated. And yeah, and if you like this project, and please give me a big thumbs up. And thanks again, sorry, and bye bye. Let me do so. Okay, bye bye.